Welcome to our FundVerify project. This is a blockchain based and AI integrated project. This is basically a decentralized application built on Ethereum blockchain, and it combines the artificial intelligence, and we create a transparent, efficient and tamper-proof system for public fund management. The problem statement of our project is that the traditional government fund allocation faces several critical challenges like lack of transparency, inefficient verification, delayed fund disbursement and limited accountability. To address these challenges through a unique combination of blockchain technology and artificial intelligence. So let me take you through the main fund management dashboard. So there are basically three users in the project: admin, authorities and the public. Admin is the central guy who initially deploys the smart contract, and the authorities are the people who involve in the decision making, for example just like the board of executives, and these authorities are added by the admin, and the public users are the normal users who can just convey their opinions on the proposed projects by the authorities. So along with that, there is one more feature of SBT token. The public users and even all the general users, they have to first issue their token status. This token status is basically for public identification verification, ensuring each citizen can vote only once. I will take it to an example where a user asked for a SBT token. Apply for SBT token. So this status is in pending and it has to be approved by the admin. In the admin panel, there is applicant and we will approve this. Okay, so this has been approved and he gets the status for voting. And as of now, I had already created authority, so it was created by admin. So there are basically one authority and one admin in our project. And let me explain the proposal section. Proposals are basically the public interest and where the government releases a fund for the benefit of public, and these projects can involve building dams, railways, highways, etc. So I will create a new proposal. Add the recipient address, and the total amount is the funding that is required for that, and this amount will be distributed in different stages. I will specify the number of stages as 3, and amount for each stages will be given as follows. This proposal is getting created. So once this proposal is created, build bridges, and this will be put in authority voting section where all the authorities has to vote yes or no. If the number of votes of yes is greater than 50%, and this proposal will be passed on to the next public voting section. I'll approve this vote as admin, and the other authority, that is account 28, should also approve this. Now once this has passed the authority voting section, now it will be under the public voting. This is the build bridges proposal and it will be under public voting. So basically any public user can just vote for it. So after this, the admin has the authority to close this public voting. Once the admin has the authority to close the public voting. So once the admin closes the public voting, there will be no more new responses received from the public. soon as the admin closes the public voting, if that particular proposal in the public voting section received number of yes greater than the number of no's, then it will be classified as approved. This is classified as approved over here, and the admin will release the initial funds. So basically the current balance was 97, and after releasing the initial funds, so you can see that the balance is 94. The first stage amount was 38. So now the first stage amount has been released. Now it's up to the recipient has to upload the stage wise reports, and these stage wise reports will be automatically checked by our AI agent, and it will pass to the next stages. So I will drop a document that contains the details of that particular proposal and that particular stage, containing all the technical and the numerical details in that. So this file will be first stored on the IPFS, and then it will be given for AI review.
Frontend will make the post request for the backend. In the backend, we will be using the RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation. In the RAG, we will give some standard questions, and these questions will be answered using the data which is in the file. So we will be mainly focusing on if there is any mismatch in the amount provided by the government and the amount which is utilized, and we will also check how are the objectives fulfilled, and is there a detailed explanation for the further process. So all this will be checked and answered by the RAG. Afterwards, we will use the AI to analyze the answers, and we will provide a detailed report, and along with that we will provide a status which is approved, review or rejected, and this will be converted to the PDF, and the PDF will be uploaded to the IPFS network, and the CID of the report is sent as a response to the front end.
Okay, so this takes a minute or two to get the review from the AI. So if this AI review is passed successfully, then this stage is marked as completed, and the next stage fund will automatically be given to the account. And if it is not, then this will pass through a voting, basically a voting section. So for this particular document, we got the response as passing the document verification section. So this will go directly to the second stage, and you can see that the funds have been automatically passed. Initially the current balance was 94, and the second stage amount, that was 38, is been transferred, and it is now 91. And we can also check in the proposal section, where we can view this basically particular proposal, and we can see that the stage 1 has been passed successfully, and it is now under stage 2. And there are two PDFs that we are storing. One is the user uploaded report document, and the AI generated report. This is the user uploaded PDF, and PDF that is generated by the AI. Both of them have been stored on the IPFS, and the particular CIDs of these files has been stored in the blockchain. So similarly, the user will upload the next stage reports, and similar AI checks will carry on, and it will be passed to the next section. If the AI gives a rejected response, then this will go to a manual checking or the review section, where the authorities will vote, and upon clearing the majority votes, it will go to the finally completed stage. So that was all about our projects, and thank you.